Hello friends, welcome back to Code Generators and myself Prachi Sahu. In this video, we will discuss what is an Armstrong number and how to implement this mathematical concept into a Python code. Let's understand the mathematics behind an Armstrong number. Let's consider a number 370 and let's take the cube of each digit and add all. That is 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 0 cube. So here every digit is raised to the power of number of digit. Here it's a 3 digit number. So after adding that we will get 370. Let's take another example. Let's take number 8208 and raise each digit to the power of 4. That is number of digit in a number and add it. So 8 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 0 to the power 4 plus 8 to the power 4, and after adding this we will get 8208. So if sum of each digit raised to power of 4 is equal to original number, here it is 8208, hence it is an Armstrong number of order 4. Isn't that interesting? Yes, it is. So let's take a number, say xyz. If xyz equals to x to the power n plus y to the power n plus z to the power n, then xyz is an Armstrong number of order n, where n is number of digit in that number. So any number equal to sum of digit raised to the power of n is equal, then we call it as an Armstrong number of order n. Let's take an Armstrong number, that is 371. If we raise each digit to the power of 3 and add them, that is 3 to the power 3 plus 7 to the power 3 plus 1 to the power 3, that is 27 plus 343 plus 1, we will get 371. So 371 is an Armstrong number. So let's write code for Armstrong number. So first we will ask the user to enter a number. To do this, we will use an input function. So next we declare and initialize a variable called sum, because we want to add So our next step is we want to grab each digit, so we will use a while loop. To grab each digit, we divide entered number by 10 and gets its remainder. For example, 8208 is divided by 10, we will get a remainder 8, and in this way when 820 divided by 10 we will get a remainder 0. When 82 divided by 10 we get 2. When 8 divided by 10 we get 8. So in this way we are getting the digits. So our next task, so we will use here a while loop. So I will give condition later on. So we are using modulus operator because modulus operator give us remainder. Next, so our next task is to raise this remainder to the power of number of digit. So to know the number of digit in the number entered by the user, we typecast the number into a string using a string function, then use length function to find the length of digit. So in this way we got number of digit So to do this, we create a variable name order. We use len function, then typecast our number into a string. So sum equals to sum plus digit. To raise its power, we use double asterisk. So here we need to update n to get other digits. To do so, we use division operator. This operator returns a whole number. So n equals to n So for example, 8208 divided by 10, we get 820, and 820 divided by 10, we get 82. And 82 divided by 10, we get 8, and 8 divided by 10, we get 0. So at last, we are getting 0. So condition for while loop is n should be greater than 0. So I will give here our condition. N greater than 0. So this is it. So now we will check whether the sum is equal to the original number n or not. If it is equal, we will print it is an Armstrong number, else we will print it is not an Armstrong number. So we will give our condition if sum equals to n, what we will print else it is not an Armstrong number. So I just want you to pause this video and check what we have done here. Here is a mistake because we are continuously updating the value of n, and in the end n equals to 0. So we need to copy the number entered by the user into another variable so it remains as it is. So now we write it as temporary equals to n. So now we will do some modification here. we'll check sum is equal to temporary or not. So we have completed. Let's run our program. So we'll enter a number here. Let's enter 8208. Yeah, 820 is an Armstrong number. Let's rerun our program and check for other numbers. So let's check for 153. Yes, 153 is an Armstrong number. Let's enter some random numbers like 123. And 123 is not an Armstrong number. Let's check for some simple numbers like 2. Yes, 2 is also an Armstrong number. Likewise 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 all are Armstrong number. So that's all for today. Hope you guys understand. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you really find this video helpful, press the thumbs up button. It motivates me to make more videos. Subscribe to Code Generators. Goodbye.